Section 1. Overview of Parasites, the Primary Division. So this entire classification system actually begins with one major split. It's a division into two distinct branches. On the left, we've got the Protozoan group, and on the right, we have the Metazoan group. This is the very first step in organizing parasites. Literally every organism we study today is going to fall under one of these two main headings.
Section 2. The Protozoan group, identifying the subclasses.
Let's look at Sporozoa. This is the very first subgroup within the Protozoan classification. It's a specific, dedicated category that sits directly under that left branch of our map. The specific members that make up the Sporozoa group are Plasmodium, Toxoplasma, Cryptosporidium, and Isospora. Next up is Rhizopoda. This is our second subgroup inside the Protozoan classification. It sits securely right there in the middle column under the main Protozoan branch. The organisms that are classified under Rhizopoda are Entamoeba histolytica, Naegleria, Acanthamoeba, and B. coli. These four members belong strictly to this specific category. And then we have the Flagellates. This is the third subgroup within the Protozoan classification, and it rounds out the final category under our first primary division. The members of the Flagellates group are Giardia lamblia, Trichomonas vaginalis, Leishmania, and Trypanosoma. And with that, we've actually completed the entire Protozoan side of our classification map. Section 3. Intestinal Nematode group, a Metazoan class. All right, now we're moving over to the right side of our map, stepping into the Metazoan division. The very first members of the intestinal nematodes are Enterobius vermicularis, Trichuris trichiura, and Ascaris lumbricoides. Continuing with those intestinal nematodes, the next members in this family are Nectar americanus, Encelostoma duodenales, and Strongyloides stercoralis. Section 4. Tissue Nematode Group, a Metazoan class. The next column under the Metazoan branch belongs completely to the tissue nematodes. The first organisms categorized here are Wuchereria bancrofti, Brugia melide, and Onchocerca volvulus. And the final members of the tissue nematodes group are Loa and Drancunalis medinensis. Notice how every single entity has its own precise, specific place in this biological map. It's incredibly organized. Section 5. Cestode parasites, a Metazoan class. Now we move over to the third column under the Metazoan heading. The first names you'll find in the cestode classification are Taenia saginata, T. solium, and Diphyllobothrium latum. The remaining names making up the cestode group are Hymenelepis nana and Echinococcus. The strict organization of all these terms really does aid in our scientific memory, making it much easier to digest. Section 6. Trematode parasites, a Metazoan class. Finally, the last column under the Metazoan division is the trematode group. The members here are Paragonomus, Clonorchis, Schistosoma, and Fasciola S. And that actually completes our step-by-step reading of the entire